Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. I upload videos weekly, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so don't miss any of my uploads. So for today's video, we are going to be talking about Charlotte Tilbury's new Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize palette. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's so pretty. This has 12 new gorgeous shades which are like kind of grouped into 4. So it's like kind of grouped into 4 so you can like build looks easily for like a happy glow look, love glow look, dream glow look, and a seduce glow look. Yeah, so I'm currently wearing like a seduce glow look right now. So yeah, I actually did 4 looks with this palette today, so just keep on watching if you want to see the palette in action. So this is the palette. This is what she looks like. It's so pretty. It looks very fancy. In the back it says Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize, and you have here like a guide on the 3 shades. It says Prime, Enhance, and Smoke, and it has the suggested shelf life of 18 months. And when you open the palette, you get a mirror, and then the 12 gorgeous shades, and you like a plastic here for like a guide. So this is Prime, 1 is Prime, 2 is Enhance, 3 is Smoke. Same goes for all the 4 groups. So now let's do some swatches starting from the Happy Glow part. So let's start with number 1. This is Prime Happy Glow. So this is Prime Happy Glow. And then next, Enhance. So smooth. I love it. And then Smoke. Gorgeous. Look at that shimmer. So this first 3 shades right here is the Happy Glow look. Now let's do Love Glow. This 3 shades right here, starting from number 1, Prime. So this is Prime Love Glow. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And then let's do Enhance. That's beautiful. And then let's do Smoke. So this is Smoke. It's very soft. So this 3 right here, these 3 shades right here is the Love Glow look. So this is Happy Glow, this is Love Glow. Now let's proceed with the Dream Glow shades, starting from 1, Prime. So this is Prime Dream Glow. That is beautiful. And then number 2, Enhance. Gorgeous. That's actually darker than I thought it would be, because on the pan it doesn't look like as dark as when you swatch it. So yeah, but it's gorgeous. It's amazing. And I swear the formula is just super smooth. And then let's do Smoke. So this is Smoke. Gorgeous, like purple. Beautiful. So this is Dream Glow, this is Love Glow, and this is Happy Glow. And last, we have Seduce Glow, this last 3 shades right here. Now let's start with the number 1, Prime shade. So this is number 1, Prime Seduce Glow. And then let's do Enhance. Number 2, Enhance. And then last, number 3, Smoke. This is Smoke from Seduce Glow. So this is Seduce, which I have on my eyes right now. It's gorgeous. And this is Dream Glow, Love Glow, and Happy Glow. Now take a look at the palette again. Kinda dirty. I'm sorry. But yeah, it's gorgeous. The shades are all just gorgeous. The formula of these eyeshadows is just amazing. It's so worth it. This palette has 12 amazing shades. The color is amazing, the formula is amazing, and it's all just for $75. That's a lot, but it's just so worth it because of the quality of the product. You know, you get me? It's just, you should definitely try this out. If you're thinking about investing on a palette, then Charlotte Tilbury is just, I don't know, you guys, I'm just so impressed by the formula and the color payoff of these shadows. It's stunning, amazing. So again, you guys, I did 4 looks with this palette. I did a Happy Glow look, a Love Glow look, a Dream Glow look, and this one, the 4th look, is the Seduce Glow look, which I think is very pretty. So if you want to see all the looks that I've created and if you want to see the palette in action, then just keep on watching. Also, you guys, I just want to add, I did another look. So I kind of did 5 looks today, but the 5th look is I used the Luxury palette of Pops Dazzling Diamonds. I used this alone, so I didn't use this on the 5th look, just this alone, all the shades of this palette alone on that look, on that 5th look. I'll just insert that look at the end, you know, so yeah. But if you want to check my video out regarding the Dazzling Diamonds Luxury palette of Pops, I'll have the link down in the description so you can check that out. So yeah, let's jump right into the first look, so the Happy Glow look. For the first look, I'm going to be using these 3 shades right here. This is for a Happy Glow look. I'm going to start with this shade. This is Prime. And I'm going to blend this all over my lid. So again, I'm just going to blend this all over my lid. And then I'm going to take this Enhance shade. And I'm going to put this on my outer V, blending it into the crease and a little bit on the center, into the center of my eyelid, like so. And then I'm taking this Smoke shade right here and I'm going to blend this on my outer V. And I'm also going to put this on under my lower lash line, like so, and connect it to my outer V. So this is the first look. This is the Happy Glow look. I just followed the guide on Charlotte Tilbury's website on how to use this. I'll have the link on the description box so you can also check it out. For the second look, I'm going to use these 3 shades right here. It's for a Love Glow look. So I'm going to start again with the Prime shade, this shade. And I'm going to blend this all over my lids. And then I'm taking this Enhance shade and I'm going to blend this on my outer corner, dragging it a little bit onto the center and on my crease. I'm going back with Prime using my finger and I'm going to put it right here on the inner part of my lid, just to intensify. And then I'm going to take this Smoke shade. I'm going to put it right here on my outer V and blend. And apply it on my lower lash line as well. So this is the first 2 looks. This is the Happy Glow look and this is the Happy Glow or the Love Glow look. Happy Glow look, Love Glow look. Now let's move on to the 3rd and 4th look. For the 3rd look, I'm going to be using these 3 shades right here. This is for a Dream Glow look, starting from this shade. This is the Prime shade. This time I'm going to be using my fingers and apply this all over my lids. And then I'm going to be taking this shade, this is Enhance. Blend this on my outer V and drag it a little bit onto my crease. And drag it into my center lid, into the center of my lids as well. I actually use a lot, but that's okay. Let's just blend. And then I'm going to be taking this shade, this is Smoke, and put this on my outer V and on the bottom of under my lower lash line there. I actually had a lot of fallouts on this look, so I had to clean it out, but this is how it looks like. Now I'm just gonna take the Prime shade again and put this on my inner corner. So this is the Dream Glow look. For the fourth and final look, I'm going to be using these 3 shades right here. This is the Seduce Glow look. Starting from this shade, this is the prime shade. And again, I'm just going to blend this all over my lids, like so. This time I'm going to be doing both of my eyes. And then I'm going to take the Enhanced shade and again blend this on my outer V. Drag it a little bit onto the center of my lids and onto my crease. And then I'm going to take the Smoke shade. I'm going to apply this on my outer V. And I'm also going to put this under my lower lash line. And I'm going to be taking the prime shade again and apply this on my inner corners. So this is the Seduce Glow look. Again, this is the final look. I'm just going to put on some eyeliner, mascara, and I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like when I have my eyeliner and mascara on. So yesterday, I uploaded a video regarding this palette. This is the Luxury palette of Pops. This is Dazzling Diamonds. But I was kind of wrong with that video because I actually used it as a topper. So I created 3 looks on that video, and every look I use a matte eyeshadow underneath and use each of these as a topper. If you haven't watched that yet, I'll have the link down in the description so you can check it out. But yeah, I didn't use the palette on its own, and one of you requested that I should use the palette on its own. So I'm going to do a look today, just one look, and use all of these shades on my eye on its own and not use any other palettes. So I'm going to start with the prime shade, and I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to apply this all over my lids. And then I'm going to take this shade. This is Enhance. Still using my finger, I'm going to put this on my outer V. And I'm dragging it a little bit onto the center. Using a brush and a little bit of the Enhance shade, I'm just going to lightly drag it onto my crease. Still using my finger, I'm going to take this Smoke shade. And I'm again going to focus this on my outer V. And still using the Smoke shade, I'm going to put this under my lower lash line and connect it to my outer V. And then I'm going to take the Define shade and I'm going to do a line like so. I'm just trying to stay as close to my lash line as possible, but I'm only going to do like the outer half of my lid. This is what it looks like using all the shades from the Luxury palette of Pops, Dazzling Diamonds. All the shades from that palette alone in my eyes. In my eye. So yeah. So again, you guys, this is the final look. So now, my final thoughts about this product, the Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize palette by Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's amazing. It's gorgeous. It was so easy to work with, and you get 12 shades in here already, so it's really worth it. 12 shades that were really easy to work with, blends beautifully. The color payoff is amazing. Whether if I'm using my finger or my brush, the color payoff is amazing. It's just, I love it. It performed very well on my eyes. And again, I'm all about the shades or the palette, or I'm just all about makeup being just easy to work with. You know, you want easy. You don't want to struggle when you're doing your makeup. I actually prefer this. I think this is much better than the Instant Eye, Pillow Talk Instant Eye palette. It's like the same, it has 12 shades, but yeah, I think this is so much better than that. I love this. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Stay safe guys!